Okay, so in this video we're going to work out some examples from C15, down here, C15, and it doesn't matter how many we do. We can do like 3 or 4. Let's just start with, how about number 4? Alright, 2 numbers that multiply to give you 36. I'm thinking about 4 and 9. You could have gone with 3 and 12, 2 and 18. I can't think of any other ones, but we could have gone with different choices. Each of these are composite, meaning they're not prime. 4 will break down into 2 times 2. And 9 will break down into 3 times 3. All of these are now prime numbers, so I'm going to circle all of them. And I'm going to rewrite it 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. But you'll notice that over here in our answers, they have it written with exponents. So when you rewrite them with exponents, you write the base and how many of the number there are. The 2 2's. So 2 raised to the second power times, there's also 2 3's. So 3, and there's 2 of them. And this equals 36. So this is the answer here, R for number 4. So down below, number 4, we're going to put an R. Alright, let's go ahead and do, we'll just do 75 now. Think of 2 numbers that multiply to give you 75. Well, I always think of quarters. If I had 75 cents, that would be 3 quarters. And then I would break 25 down. 25 breaks down into 5 times 5. 3 is already prime. And now 5 is also prime. And if you're not sure, look on your prime number chart and see if it's prime or not. So when I rewrite it, it's 3 times 5 times 5 equals 75. Well, I could rewrite it as 3 times 5 squared, which over here is letter D. And that's number 5. So number 5 is going to be D. So at the bottom of the page, everywhere there's a 5, I'm going to write a D. So, excuse me. Let's go ahead and jump down here. Let's do 56. The only numbers that I can think of off the top of my head are 7 and 8. Well, 7's already prime, so I'm already done with that side. But 8 I can break down. 4 times 2, and 2's prime. Then 4 will break down into 2 times 2. So look at all the numbers I have. I have 2, 2, 2, 7. So I'm going to write that. 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. And then when I rewrite it using exponents, I'm going to keep my base, which is my 2, and then I have 1, 2, 3 of them times 7. So 2 to the 3rd power times 7. And when I look over here, right here it is. And that's number 8. So number 8 will be L. And let's go ahead and just do one more. It doesn't matter which one we pick. We can pick 100. Alright, well 100 is 10 times 10, or 20 times 5, or 4 times 25. It doesn't really matter. 10 times 10 is probably easier. So I got 2 and 5, and 2 and 5. Now everything's prime. So I'm going to circle everything. And we always write them in order from least to greatest. I have 2 2s and 2 5s. So that's 2 squared times 5 squared, which is A. And number 11 is A. So everywhere there's an 11, I'm going to put an A. And we had a good many there. Looks like that's it. Okay, so the rest of them I want you to do by yourself. And if you have any questions, as always, please ask. I'm here to help you.